Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
The Xbox murders case has been resentenced again, and this time it's all about finding out whether two men will receive life in prison or the death penalty for their heinous crimes. Troy Victorino and Jaron Hunter were initially sentenced to death back in 2006, but both of those sentences got overturned due to a Florida Supreme Court ruling that required unanimous juries when recommending the death penalty. Fast forward to 2023, and we've got two new trials underway as prosecutors are once again pushing for death sentences against these two convicted killers. Xbox Central has been following this case closely, and it's a real nail-biter. So what went down back in 2004? On August 6th of that year, four friends broke into a house on Telford Lane in Deltona, Florida. They were looking for someone named Erin Belanger, who had kicked Troy Victorino out of her grandmother's vacant home. But it turned out they weren't just looking for a place to crash, they were there to exact revenge. The result was 6 murders and 1 dog killed, all in the span of about an hour. And that's not even counting the Xbox game console and some clothes that Victorino had left behind, hoping to get them back. Now, back to our trial today. The prosecution is asking a 12-member jury plus 2 alternates to decide the fate of these two men. They're pushing for death sentences, but it's not going to be easy. Only 8 jurors will have to agree on that sentence. And if they can't get an 8-juror consensus, then life in prison without parole is looking more and more likely. Xbox Central has been following this case closely, and we've got our finger on the pulse of what's happening inside the courtroom. The defense team is trying to make a case that Victorino and Hunter wouldn't be any less violent behind bars. After all, they're already serving life sentences in Florida's maximum security prison. But prosecutors are saying that this is about more than just punishment. It's about justice for the victims and their families. They're asking the jury to remember what happened on that fateful day back in 2004, when 6 people lost their lives in a matter of minutes. It was a senseless act of violence, and now we've got 2 men who are facing justice. The real question is, will this jury be able to get an 8-juror consensus? And what will that mean for Troy Victorino and Jaron Hunter? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. Only Xbox Central has been following the latest developments in this shocking case.